Alright, YouTube, quick video. R230, change the wheel bearing. This was a real bitch. This into the spring arm, the bushing in there is just about exactly the same size. I had to actually drive this wheel carrier knuckle off. Trying to get it lined up was a major pain. What I did, I put the axle in through a drift here in the top arm, camber arm, to help hold it. And then what you really need, you can wiggle it on there and get it started. I use this leg of my forging. You need a long tapered pin. The bolt right here, this is 13.8 millimeter. If you get a long piece of like 13 millimeter rod, grind a long taper on it, you need a good drift. Line that up. That's about the only way to do it. So hope this helps someone.